Investing just $10 a day may seem insignificant, but its potential to transform your financial landscape over time is remarkable. In the world of investing, consistency is key. By setting aside a small amount daily, you're not just saving, you are planting seeds for future wealth. This practice helps develop financial discipline and keeps your investment journey alive and vibrant. Compounding is the magic that turns your initial investment into a river of income. Imagine your small daily contributions growing like a tree, where each branch represents accrued earnings. When you invest $10 each day, that's $300 monthly, and over a decade with an annual return rate of 8%, your total contribution grows into a substantial financial asset, potentially exceeding $55,000. It's not merely about the money you put in, but the strategic growth it experiences thanks to the nature of compounding. Selecting the right investment vehicles enhances your financial growth. Index funds and ETFs offer a stable platform suitable for those focused on long-term gain. If you're inclined towards higher risks, consider stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate crowdfunding. Each of these investments holds potential and promises diversification, allowing your portfolio to flourish while you reap the rewards of passive income through dividends. Yet, pitfalls abound for the beginner investor. Many fall prey to market timing, believing they can simply jump in and out to maximize gains. The secret lies instead in steady, consistent contributions, regardless of market conditions. Additionally, thorough research on any investment option is paramount. Never invest blindly. Lastly, exercising patience is crucial. Pulling out too early can stunt your investment growth. The financial landscape is a marathon, not a sprint. Utilizing the power of visual storytelling will enhance understanding along this financial journey. AI-generated visuals can vividly illustrate the compounding effect through time lapses, showcase investing comparisons through animations, and simulate potential growth in real time. Such dynamic presentations engage viewers while making complex principles accessible. In conclusion, investing $10 a day is a simple yet powerful strategy for building substantial financial wealth. Start today, stay committed to your plan, and allow compounding and smart investment choices to pave the way toward your financial future. Remember, even the smallest steps can lead to monumental progress over time. Keep learning, keep investing, and watch your financial dreams transform into reality.